Example 4.5. Do you like playing cards? Yeah. You know, we have 52 cards, 4 shapes, 13 numbers, and 13 numbers and letters, because you know the first one is the ace, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10, and then J, Q, K. 13 times 4, 52. So on this picture, 4 shapes, 13. In the figure 4.3, there are 52 cards. Okay, so please remember the number 52. Always we have a 52. First, here's an event. What? King of heart. As I told you, probability is a ratio. How? Just count how many outcomes in the event out of how many was the number of all possible outcomes in the sample space. So let me ask you, how many cards? King of heart. How many? King of heart. 1. King of heart here. Just 1. In the event, in part A. Any question? It's very small, right? Yeah. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah. Get closer. 1. How many was in the sample space? 52. Yes. You know, actually, the figure, the picture, that is the sample space. It is the collection of all possible outcomes. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't say what was the experiment. Now I have to say an experiment is select a card. 1 card. It is an experiment. It is a sample space. In part A has an event, King of heart. Probability will be 1 out of 52. 1 out of 52. How much will be the decimals? Yeah, using your calculator. 1 out of 52. Thank you. It will be 0.019231. Let me take 0.019. Yeah, 3 decimals. That is enough. 0.019. Either one will be fine. That is a probability. But when you are doing homework, be careful. It's always suggested to you is how many decimals. So you just take the rounding. Yeah. So just the answer. And the next event, part B. Oops. King. Just the king. How many kings? 4 kings. Out of 52. 4 out of 52. You know, from an experiment, we had 1 sample space. Based on the sample space, we are going to consider as many kinds of events. We are going to take various probability, but always based on the same sample space. So based on the same sample space, the denominator for the probability, for the ratio, always the same. Always out of 52, out of 52, out of 52. Based on the same sample space. It's good? Makes sense? Next event is heart. How many hearts? 13. From ace up to king. 13 out of 52. Just a second. We took 4 out of 52 in part B. When I simplify, how much will be the ratio? How much will be the probability? You know, 52 is actually 13 times 4. I told you, 4 shapes, 13. Cancel out 4 and 4 in the numerator and denominator. The simplified ratio will be 1 out of 13. The other way I can interpret the probability, the event of part B, kings, we have only 1 king for each shape. How much will be the 1 over 13 as a decimals? I have a 0.0769. How about the 0.077? Anyone will be good answer. Okay, 0.077. Even 4 out of 52, that is a good answer. And simplified one, 1 over 13, that is a good one. Okay, but as I told you, when you are doing homeworks, yeah, just follow the directions, decimals, or simplify the ratios, right? Yeah. Anyway, in part C, the probability was 13 hearts out of 52. Let me take the last event. Face card. Please look at the picture. Who has the face? J, Q, K. You know the ace? It does not have any face. So the face cards means J, Q, K. How many? 12 out of 52 again. I'm sorry. 52. The other way I can interpret, we have 3 face card for each shape, 13. So simplify, it will be 3 out of 13. Even we can take the decimals. Yeah, probably less than 1, bigger than 0. You can try. Yeah, even you can answer using the decimals.